Ooh-ha! The blue screen of death! That dreaded error message that stops you in your tracks. Don't panic. It looks scary, but you can often fix it yourself. First, think about what you were doing right before it happened. Did you just install new software, a driver, or plug in a new device, like a printer or webcam? If so, that's likely the culprit. Try restarting your computer in safe mode and uninstalling that recent change. If that doesn't work, it could be a hardware issue. One of the most common causes is faulty RAM. If you're comfortable opening up your computer, you can try removing and reseating the memory sticks. Another quick fix is to run Windows built-in diagnostic tools. Use the System File Checker to scan for and repair corrupted files. Just open Command Prompt as an administrator and type SFC. Give these tips a try, and hopefully you'll be back up and running in no time. For more tech tips, make sure to subscribe.